Alright guys, so it's been a little while. I know I haven't had anything to do. I've been real bored and real busy. But a few days ago, I picked this drag wing off. Alright guys, so it's been a little while. I've been very bored and very busy. But let's get back into making some videos. So, if you haven't checked out the community tab, I picked up this Racecraft drag wing off of Facebook for 40 bucks. The wing I know is like $620 something, brand new. It was a little bent on this side. The guy was racing. It was on a Pro 275 car. The opponent's parachute got caught on the wing, or his parachute or whatever, but it bent that side. I fixed it, bought a bunch of brackets and mounted them, and I made my own end plates for the sides so it all looked good and it'll work as it should. So this is a pretty big wing, if you want to say so. I believe it's 17 inches long. If I remember, you can go on Racecraft's website and look it up. But I got it all made up, I got it all fixed, and it is ready for paint. I'll be spraying the thing satin black. If you can see, I've got the two rods here, one mounts here, one mounts over there, and then they mount to the trunk lid. Now I've got this V right here that's supposed to mount that bracket on that corner, this up here on this hole, and then this part to the trunk lid as well. But I only got one of those, so I'm only gonna use basically just those two and the wing itself, and I'm gonna hope that it's gonna be sturdy enough. I probably will end up buying another two of those and mounting them from the center over to those corners, because you obviously have these brackets right here that holds it very sturdy. It is very, very sturdy, honestly. I could set things on and have no problem, even with just the two individual rods. But just for extra rigidity and stuff like that, we're gonna end up doing that. But hope you guys enjoy this little look over. Can't believe I did this. I'm no fab guy, to be honest with you, but I can get some shit done. So let's get this thing sprayed up. It's going satin black, and then we'll bring the car over, possibly have enough time to mount it up and have it looking right. Sorry I didn't show you guys the whole process, but this was kind of a pain in the ass doing alone. Could have asked for help, but people were busy. So it's there, it's done. As you can see, I made sure the wing was dead center, zero leveled, right where it is. I did the struts at a 40-degree angle back, and I made sure they're both even, measurements and everything. But yeah, this is the Racecraft drag wing with my own custom side plates. There's a little dent in that part, don't worry about it. This is just some load sheet metal that I had to make and make it all work and shit like that. But it is plenty sturdy. You can even pick up the whole trunk lid with it. I just use self tappers up here. I'm going to change them out for rib nuts, and as you can see, the strut screws, I just use some self tappers there, and then the rest are just bolted there. But yeah, this thing is plenty sturdy as it is right now. There's a little bit of wiggle, I'd say, here on the corners, which is where I'm going to end up having to put a bracket from here to out here somewhere, or just something in general, like the original setup was supposed to be from the drag wing with the V setup. So I'll figure out something for that, but for the most part, this thing is really sturdy. It works. It looks great. And as we all know, when you put a drag wing, now you got to go get a parachute. So that's next on the list. And I hope you guys are ready for that. That'll be fun. Obviously, this is just some fun little add-ons to my slow car, if you want to call it slow. I mean, yeah, for what this is needed for, it's pretty slow. But this is going to be fun. We're going to turn up the boost, and we're going to go probably way faster, and going to need this anyway. So, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. There's not much else going on around here. I'm just happy to have gotten this done. If you guys check out the community tab, so I leave all my stuff coming up, and what I'm going to be posting, and just give you guys some ideas. Check it out, or check out my Instagram. It has all the stuff before YouTube. But I try to keep up on the community tab here. Now for the old holes up here, I'm gonna have to clean these up, and I don't know if I'm gonna redip the trunk lid or anything, but the next time we do spray this car, I'll have to do some body filler or something and just smooth these out, seal them up, because this is where the old wing, the GT wing, sat. So I'll just put some caps in there for now, just to cover the holes, just so no water gets into my trunk. And that'll be it for now. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll drop a couple pics at the end. And this is the Racecraft 17-inch drag wing, missing a couple brackets and not their winglets, but turned out pretty damn good. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.